The Grand Post Office is an office building in Sirkeci, Istanbul. It was designed by Vedat Tek between 1905 and 1909. The building, which is the biggest post office of Turkey, an example of the first Turkish national architectural style. I aim to analyze the relationship between Grand Post Office and its environments. My main question is how does it revive the Ottoman style and how it's perceived in its urban context? First of all, understanding environment for analyzing the Grand Post Office. Sirkeci has been center of commerce since ancient times. This structure, which is one of the most important works of an architectural movement, is located on the Grand Post Office Street in Sirkeci district. It's close to Egyptian Bazaar and New Mosque. At the present time, there is railway system as the main transportation center. People can use public transport to go to Grand Post Office. The structure of the Ottoman architecture influenced by the Baroque period is a complex and experimental building with my idea, which was built in Tanzimat period. Baroque is a current which is understood by spreading ellipses, interwoven curves, wings and marine motifs. We can see these motifs in Grand Post Office. It's a more eclectic structure because of how many architectural currents feel. It shows the same behavior with different architectural styles. It's a structure that shows good transition from classical Ottoman to modern, but not completely classical Ottoman architecture. This is also seen in plans and drawings. Ornaments, arches, domes feels Ottoman architecture. In the design of the classical Ottoman era constructions, which are frequently used as material of the limestone and marble, a design composition which was enlarged as structure was generally turned downward become dominant. We can perceive this situation in the Grand Post Office, arabesque blended with Baroque-like ornamentations. Interior and exterior has lots of pointed arches. On the arches, there are shapes that look like shovel and reliefs. It makes three-dimensional arts and emphasize point shape. From my point of view, the Grand Post Office is a little simplified Ottoman architecture. Construction has lots of stuccos and outer arches has oblak. It references Islamic architecture. Moreover, on the arch Turkish triangle Mukarnas appears. From my point of view, it's not architectural element. It does not provide load transfer. It was made for symbolic. According to me, in the Grand Post Office, Mukarnas had dome deducted Ottoman architecture.